Hello everyone, my name is Wanda and I'm with the Alpha Park Library. Welcome to Mini Melodies, our story time aimed at kids ages 3 to 6. Today's story time is all about emotions, especially the happy ones, so make sure that you take out your lesson plans and that you follow along. And we're going to start with Make New Friends. Make new friends, but keep the old. One is silver and the other's gold. Circles round, it has no end. That's how long I want to be your friend. Okay, one more time. Make new friends, but keep the old. One is silver and the other's gold. A circle's round, it has no end. That's how long I want to be your friend. Okay, so our next song is called Feelings, and it's to the tune of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. So here we go. I have feelings, so do you. Let us sing about a few. I feel glad, you feel sad. I feel sad, you feel glad. I have feelings, don't you see? Feelings are what makes me me. Okay, let's go again. I have feelings, so do you. Let us sing about a few. I feel glad, you feel sad. I feel sad, you feel glad. I have feelings, don't you see? Feelings are what makes me me. Okay. So our first book today is called A Box of Butterflies by Joe Rooks. And this book is all about a robot and how he wants to start feeling feelings like humans do. And they all lived happily ever after. The end, said Robot. I love that story, said Ruby. Did you love it too? Robot is just a machine. Robot cannot feel love. Robot paused for a moment and said, What does love feel like? Ruby replied, Love feels like a box of butterflies. Like a colorful dancing kite. Like drinking in a sunset. Like a firefly in the night. Where does love come from? Asked Robot. It comes from inside, said Ruby. I can't see anything, said Robot. You can't see it. Only feel it, said Ruby. It's an emotion. You might feel other ones too. One is green and spiky, like a twisted thistle. Jealousy. I sometimes feel that way when my best friend plays with someone else. One is hot like a coal on the fire and smokes up through your head like a volcano. Anger. I sometimes feel that way when I'm told no more TV. One is cold like a heavy stone pressing on your tummy. Fear. I sometimes feel that way when the lights go out at night. One is like a little fly that buzzes around your head and sits on your nose. Worry. I sometimes feel that way when I can't find my special blanket. One is like raindrops falling from a big blue cloud. Sadness. I sometimes feel that way on the last day of vacation. Those don't sound so nice, said Robot. It's okay, Robot. Those feelings come and go, just like happy ones. Everyone feels them sometimes, she said, and gently hugged him. Then something began to happen, something that never happened to Robot before. Robot began to feel something fluttery, something uplifting, something warm, something glowing inside him. Love. So next we have a poem, so make sure that you follow along. Sometimes on my face you'll see how I feel inside of me. A smile means happy, a frown means sad, and gritting teeth means I'm mad. When I'm proud, I beam and glow, but when I'm shy, my head hangs low. Okay, let's go again. Sometimes on my face you'll see how I feel inside of me. A smile means happy, a frown means sad, and gritting teeth means I'm mad. When I'm proud, I beam and glow, but when I'm shy, my head hangs low. Okay. So now our second book is Where Happiness Begins by Eland. Oops. And you guys might remember this author because in our last emotion story time, we read her book, When Sadness is at Your Door. This one's all about happiness. Where Happiness Begins. Are you looking for happiness? It often has disguises and goes by different names. Some days it seems to be hiding, while on others, it's right there with you, wherever you go. You can try to understand it, collect it, or protect it. You can try to catch it, but most of the time, happiness appears to have a will of its own. And sometimes it may feel as if there are too many things that get between you and happiness. It's not always easy, but when you find your way through, happiness will be there, waiting. When you do find it, start following. See where it will take you. Happiness may be different from what you expect, or feel a little scary at first, but it will let you find new paths, enjoy your time with family and friends, and do the things you love to do. You can't feel happy all the time. You might feel overwhelmed by your feelings, and that you can't always control them, but you can find your way back home. Just breathe. In that quiet moment, you will realize you don't have to keep looking for happiness. It was always there. Recognize it and treasure it, because in the end, happiness begins with you. Okay, and that actually ties in with our craft this week, which you can come pick up at the library. And it's a little happiness card with a little heart cut out, and you can draw a picture or put a picture of something that makes you happy. I put my puppy Daisy because she makes me very happy. Okay, and our last song is called Happy Days. Some days I don't know what to do. The sky is gray and I feel so blue. But when I get close to you, the sky changes and turns to blue. Happy days are when I'm with you. Okay, let's go again. Some days I don't know what to do. The sky is gray and I feel so blue. But when I get close to you, the sky changes and turns to blue. Happy days are when I'm with you. Okay, awesome. Thanks for joining me. So next week will be all about snow. So make sure that you tune in. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.